Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Myself Aruna Boga, and today we are going to do revision of chapter Food and Health. And in that the topic is vitamins and minerals. So let us discuss the food items which are rich in vitamins and minerals. Yes. So first of all, we'll discuss about the sources of vitamin A. Sources of vitamin A means the food items which are rich in vitamin A. So by seeing this picture, you will be able to understand very easily the food items which are rich in vitamin A. So that food items are carrots, squash, apricots, papaya, broccoli, peaches, melon, avocado, pepper, sweet potato, mangoes, fish, meat, eggs and cheese. So like this way, all these food items are rich in vitamin A. And next we'll discuss about the food items which are rich in vitamin B1. Yes, vitamin B1. Here in this picture you can see green leafy vegetables are there, some peas are there, pulses, meat. Like this way, all these food items are rich in vitamin B1. Along with this, vitamin B1 is rich in unpolished rice also. And next we will discuss about the food items which are rich in vitamin C. Yes, vitamin C is rich in citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means we can say lemon, kiwi, cabbage, amla, and along with that here you can see so many fruits are there, bananas are there, and vegetables are also provided to you. So cherries, so all these food items, and along with this the vegetables, potatoes. So like this way, in all these food items vitamin C is rich. And next we will discuss about the vitamin D food items, right? Vitamin D rich food items. Yes, first you can see here milk is given, and along with this milk, in all milk products also vitamin D is present. So that milk products you love to eat, that milk products are paneer, cheese. So you all love, no? Yes, vitamin D is rich in that food items. Along with that, peas, eggs, meat is also there. And one more thing, vitamin D is available in the nature. Also in the nature means the sun is giving to us vitamin D freely without any cost. We will get from the sunlight also vitamin D. And next we'll discuss about the food items rich in mineral iodine. Yes, iodine is mineral, and iodine is present in salt. Yes, in our homes we can see salt is there. Yes, whenever you buy salt packet, on that wrapper you can see it will be written iodized salt. Yes, in the advertise also you can see iodized namak, tata namak. Yes, so like that way, in all salts means in that salt iodine is present, and along with that in this food items also iodine is rich, like sea salt, strawberries, fennel, Himalayan crystal salt, broccoli, coconut oil, spinach, cranberries, watercress, seaweeds. So like this way, in all these food items also mineral iodine is rich. And next we'll discuss about the mineral iron rich food items. Yes, here you can see first of all spinach. Yes, spinach is green leafy vegetable. So in spinach iron is present. Along with that pulses are given, and next red meat is also given. So and some dry fruits are also there. So like this way, in all these food items iron is rich. So up till here we have discussed about the food items which are rich in minerals and vitamins. So from here we'll discuss the deficiency diseases. So deficiency diseases, in this first we'll discuss about deficiency of vitamin A causes. So deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Yes, in this disease the person will not be able to see in dim light. Yes, night time sun is not present, so In the absence of sun, the person who is suffering from this disease will not be able to see properly in the night time. Next we will discuss about the deficiency of vitamin B1 causes. So that disease name is beriberi. Yes, in this picture you can see the condition of this disease. Means in this disease throughout our body, that rashes type or some spots type, that our skin will become very, yes, no, it is looking ugly, no. So like this way, that disease is known as beriberi. This is caused due to the lack of vitamin B1. And next we'll discuss about deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Yes, the disease which is caused due to the lack of vitamin C is known as scurvy. Yes, by seeing this picture you will be able to understand very clearly about scurvy. What is scurvy? Scurvy means yes, bleeding gums. The blood will flow from these gums and their gums will be swollen. So like this way, this disease is known as scurvy. And next we'll discuss about deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Yes, the disease which is caused due to the lack of vitamin D is known as rickets. In this you can see two pictures are provided to you. One is normal and other one is rickets. Normal means that normal persons will be having normal condition legs, and the person who is suffering from this rickets disease will be having like this bended legs. Bended legs means the person will be having weak bones, soft bones, right? So along with this vitamin D, our body needs calcium also. Calcium is also a mineral, and calcium is also available in milk and milk products. So by eating and by drinking milk and milk products, we will get two minerals, that are vitamin D and calcium. So these minerals are important to our body to make our bones and teeth hard and strong. And next we'll discuss about the deficiency of mineral iodine causes goiter. Yes, deficiency of mineral iodine causes, the disease name is goiter. In this condition you will be able to understand very clearly by seeing this image. In this you can see difference near the neck region, right? Yes, in our neck region one gland will be there. So in this goiter disease, that gland, neck region, our neck region will be swollen. Okay, so this is known as goiter. And next we will discuss about deficiency of mineral iron causes anemia. Anemia means by seeing this picture you will be able to understand very clearly. So top side and downside two different boxes are given. In that you can see top one anemic amount of red blood cells and downside normal amount of red blood cells. The person who is suffering from this disease anemia will be having less amount of red blood cells, and normal condition, in this normal downside box you can see normal person will be having like this red blood cells, and upside it is given anemic amount of red blood cells. So red blood cells are very important to our body, so which are very important in transporting oxygen, carrying oxygen throughout our body, right? Yes, like this way we have discussed about the food items which are rich in vitamins and minerals. And if in our body these vitamins and the minerals are less or lack, then which kind of diseases we are going to get, that also the person who are suffering from this vitamin deficiency diseases also we have discussed. Thank you. Hope you all will understand the video.